Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we discuss top 50 GK MCQ in geography. So let's start. Question number 1. How is the sky filled with after sunset and in the night? Option A, bright objects. Option B, dim objects. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the none of these. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 2. What is the name given to the full moon night? Option A, Amavasya. Option B, Purnima. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, Purnima. This is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following name is given to the new moon? Option A, Purnima. Option B, Amavasya. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Amavasya. Question number 4. What are celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, all the shining bodies in the sky. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 5. The celestial bodies which have their own heat and light are called planets, stars, satellites, and option D, all of these. The right answer is option B, star. Question number 6. Which is the most recognizable constellation? Option A, Saptarishi. Option B, Moon. Option C, Sun. And option D, Mars. And the right answer is option A, the Saptarishi. Saptarishi is the right answer. Question number 7. The star which indicates the north is called pole star, pole, north pole, and south pole. The right answer is option A, pole star. Pole star is the right answer. This is the right answer. Question number 8. The celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light but are lit by the light of the stars are named as option A stars, option B planet, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. And the right answer is option B planet. Question number 9. The word planet has been derived from the word planetae, which is named as Latin word, option B German word, option C Greek word, and option D English word. And the right answer is option C Greek word. Greek word is the right answer. Question number 10. Which celestial bodies from the solar system, the sun, the planets, the satellites, asteroids and meteoroids? Option D all of the above. And the right answer is option D all of the above. All the planets move around the sun in fixed elliptical path. These paths are called option A axis, option B orbit, option C both A and B, and option D none of the these. None of these. And the right answer is option B orbit. All the planets move around the sun in fixed elliptical path. These paths are called orbit. Question number 12. Why is the shape of the earth geoid? Option A. It is slightly flattened at the poles. Option B. It is spherical at the poles. Option C. Both A and B, and option D none of these. And the right answer is option A. It is slightly flattened at the poles. Question number 13. The Earth is called a unique planet due to option A neither too hot nor too cold, option B presence of air and water, option C oxygen, light supporting gas, and option D all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question number 14. The Earth is called a blue planet because of the presence of water, blue color, brown color, or red color. The right answer is option A water. So, water is the right answer. Why do you see only one side of the moon from the earth? Because of moon moving around the earth in 27 days. 27 days also taken in one spin. Both A and B, and none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Option C, both A and B. Question number 15. Why does the moon not have conditions favorable for life? Option A, because of non-existence of water. Option B, because of non-existence of air. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Both A and B is the right answer. Question number 17. Apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous bodies which also move around the sun. What are these called? Stars, asteroids, meteoroids, and planets. And the right answer is option C, meteoroids. So meteoroid is the right answer. Question number 18. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Jupiter and option A, Mars, option B, Earth, option C, Venus, and option D, Neptune. And the right answer is option A, Mars. So Mars is the correct answer. Next question. Meteorites are made of option A, dust, option B, pieces of rocks, option C, gases, and option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B, piece of rocks. Meteorites are made of piece of rocks. Question number 20. What is called a cluster of millions of stars shining white in the starry sky? Option A, stars, option B, planet, option C, Milky Way galaxy, and option D, satellites. And the right answer is option C, Milky Way galaxy. Question number 21. What makes the universe? Option A, millions of galaxies, millions of stars, Earth, and the last option is satellites. The correct answer is option A, million of galaxy. So option A is the right answer. What makes the universe? Million of galaxies makes the universe. Question number 22. What is a globe? Option A, Earth, the model of Earth. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, true model of the Earth. True model of the Earth are called globe. Okay, globe is true model of the Earth. Question number 23. Which of the following are shown on the globe in their true size? Option A, countries. Option B, continents. Option D, option C, oceans, and option D, all of these. And the right answer is option D, all of these. So this is the right answer. What is called a needle fixed through the glove in a titled manner? Option A, orbit. Option B, axis. Option C, latitude. And option D, longitude. And the right answer is option B, axis. What divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? The right answer is, sorry, the options are Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and option D, Arctic, Circle, Arctic Circle. And the right answer is option C, Equator. Equator divided the earth into two equal parts, which are the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So, equator is the right answer. This is the question. Name one of the following parallels of latitudes as Tropic of Cancer. Option A 0 degree, option B 23 degree 30 minutes south, option C 23 degree 30 minutes north, and option D 66 degree 30 minutes north. And the right answer is option C 23 degree 30 minutes north. Question number 27. Between which parallels of latitudes is the torrid zone situated? Option A Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Option B Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of and Arctic Circle. Option C Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. And option D none of these. And the right answer is option A Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So option A is the right answer. Question number 28. Which sorry which of the following zone is situated between 66 degree 30 minutes south and poles? Option A torrid zones, option B temperate zone, option C freeze zone, and option D all of these. And the right answer is option C freeze zone. So freeze zone is the correct answer. Which of the following is called the prime meridian? Option A 23 degree 30 minute north, option B 23 degree 30 minute south, option C 82 degree 30 minute east, and option D 0 degree longitude. And the right answer is option D 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude is the right answer. What divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere? Option A, equator. Option B, prime meridian. Option C, 82 degree 30 minute east. And option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B, prime meridian. So this is the right answer. Option B, prime meridian is the right answer. In which ocean are Tonga Islands situated? Option A, Indian Ocean. Option B, Atlantic Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. And option D, none of these. And the right answer is option C, Pacific Ocean. So option C, Pacific Ocean is the right answer. Question number 32. On which parallel of latitude is Motius located? Option A, 10 degree north. Option B, 20 degree south. Option C, 23 degree 30 minutes south. And option D, 0 degree. The right answer is option B, 20 degree south. So option B is the right answer. Which place is located at the intersection of 26 degree north and 90 degree east? Option A, Dhubri. Option B, Mauritius. Option C, Tonga. And option D, Meerut. The right answer is option A, Dhubri. Dhubri is the right answer. Dhubri is located at the intersection of 26 degree north and 90 degree east. What time does Earth take rotating from 1 degree longitude to next longitude? Option A, 44 minutes. Option B, 15 minutes. Option C, 10 minutes. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, 4 minutes. Question number 35. What is the time difference between the time of Dwarka in Gujarat and time of Dibrugarh in Assam? Option A, 2 hours. Option B, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Option C, 1 hour and 45 minutes. And option D, 5 hours and 30 minutes. The right answer is option C, 1 hour and 45 minutes. This is the right answer. The local time of 82Q 30 minute east longitude is taken as a standard throughout India. It is known as local time of India. Option B, Indian Standard Time. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Indian Standard Time. Question number 37. The time of India is ahead of that of England by 2 hours. Option B 5 hours and 30 minutes. Option C 3 hours and option D none of these. The right answer is option B 5 hours and 30 minutes. The right answer. So option B is the correct answer. Motion of the earth on its axis in about 24 hours is called option A revolution, option B rotation, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. The right answer is option B rotation. Option B rotation is the right answer. Question number 39. Motion of the earth around the sun is known as option A revolution, option B rotation, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. And the answer is option A revolution. So option A is the correct answer. What is orbital plane? Option A plane formed by the axis, option B plane formed by the orbit, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option B plane formed by the orbit. This is the right answer. Which one of the following is the source of the light on the earth? Option A the moon, option B the sun, option C the satellites, option D the space. The right answer is option B the sun. The sun is the source of light on the earth. So it is the right answer. Question number 42. The circle that divides the globe into day and night is called option A circle of darkness, option B circle of day and night, option C circle of illumination, and option D none of these. And the right answer is option C circle of illumination. This is the right answer. So circle of illumination is correct answer. Question number 43. The period of one rotation of the earth is known as option A the sun, option B the moon day, the sun day, moon day, option C the earth day, and option D none of these. And the answer is the earth day. So option C is the right answer. The period of one rotation of the earth is known as the earth day. Question number 44. What would have happened if the earth did not rotate? Option A cold condition on earth's half portion, option B warm conditions on earth's another half portion, option C No life possible in such extreme condition, and option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. So option D is the correct answer. A year with 366 days is called leap year, normal year, both A and B, and none of these. And the right answer is option A, leap year. A year with 366 days is called leap year. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 46. Why does seasons change on the earth? Option A, due to change in the position of earth around the sun. Option B, due to no change in the earth's position. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, due to changes in the position of the earth around sun. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 47. When do the longest day and the shortest night occur in the northern hemisphere? So option A, June 21, option B, September 23, option C, December 22, and option D, March 21. And the right answer is option A, June 21. June 21 is the correct answer. In which season Christmas is celebrated in Australia? Option A, winter season. Option B, summer season. Option C, autumn season. And option D, spring season. And the right answer is option B, summer season. Christmas is celebrated in Australia in summer season. Question number 49. When do equinoxes occur on the earth? Option A, March 21. Option B, September 23. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the answer is option C, both A and B. Both A and B is the correct answer. And today's last question. Days and nights occur on Earth due to rotation, revolution, both A and B, and none of these. And the right answer is option A, rotation. So friends, it was today's last question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.